Fudge 702, runway inside.
Cheetah 702, continue approach number 1.
Roger, continue approach number 1, Fudge 702.
Cheetah 702, hint 030 degrees, 07 knots, runway 12, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 12, Fudge 702.
Everyone, in preparation for landing, please check to see that your seatbelts are fastened, tray tables and seat backs are in the upright and locked position, and all personal items are securely stowed for landing.
Allow 316, descent good at 5,000 feet, follow good at 1 arrival QNH 1026. Descending 5,000 for the 1 arrival QNH 1026, allow 16.
Approaching 1, 2.
$500. $400. $300. $200. $100. 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, retard, retard.
Knots. 60 knots, reversers off.
Cheetah 702, welcome to Bengaluru, vacate to the right and contact Bengaluru West ground frequency 118.050. Thank you for flying, bye bye.
118, dispatch 05, Fachita 702, good day.
Everyone, we have arrived at our destination. On behalf of your flight crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us.
Very good,
If you've
Ryan.
flown with us before,
Ground
we
Fachita
hope we met
702,
your
vacate the
expectations,
runway.
and if this is your first time with us, we hope you will join us again soon.
Check the flaps.
Jetstar 702, hello, good evening, big Redless now. Taxi to the center East Hotel 1 via the Echo and the mic. Execute.
Taxi to stand 1 via Echo and Mike Fachita 702.